to an eDemo on Database Restore on a Victor and Secure 9000 unified system. For the purposes of this demonstration, I'm going to be using a Victor Unified Site Server box, but these steps apply to any Victor system, any Secure 9000 system, or any Victor and Secure 9000 unified system. First thing to note here is that I'm signed in as an administrator, and you will need administrative privileges in order to carry out a database restore. And I'm going to go ahead and launch the server configuration application here just by double clicking it on the desktop. And once we're in there, we can go ahead and stop our Crossfire services. As always, it's important to stop both Crossfire services when you're carrying out any form of database maintenance, as this will stop any read and write activities on the database while you're working on it. Once you've completed your maintenance, you need to start those services back up again. Okay, so once the services are stopped, then I can choose the Backup and Restore tab, which is on the right here at the top. And you'll see if we look down below in the Restore section, we have some databases listed there. And that's the databases that are available for restore. If we look just underneath that list, you can see we have some display options over on the right hand side. And those options are stating which backups are actually displayed and available for restore. So you can choose to just display the latest backup for each database, the latest 3, or all backups. Just to the left then, we have a source folder section, which is showing where we're looking for those backups. So currently I'm looking in the default SQL Server location, which is where my backups are placed. If I had them in somewhere else, I could choose the alternative folder button, and I could point the server configuration app to that folder. Okay, so let's go ahead and restore these databases then. What I need to do is just select which ones I want to restore, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the checkbox at the top to select them all, and then I can choose the Restore Selected Databases button. When I choose it, you can see we're getting a confirmation message here, and it's just saying, are we sure we want to restore these databases, as it's going to overwrite the databases that are already there. Of course we do, so we're going to choose OK, and you can see the message there starting to restore all our databases, and it's cycling through one by one. And once the restore is finished then, we're getting the Restore Complete message, and we can just go ahead and choose OK in it.